Hello and welcome. My name is Madison with Profit Per Month, and today we're going to be going over a setup and review of Paid Memberships Pro, the WordPress membership plugin. I'm going to be going through this a little bit and giving you my thoughts on how to set this up and how it can best be used. So before we hop in here, I just want to go ahead and say that this is a great WordPress plugin for somebody who's trying to build a membership or subscription business for free, and they don't want to spend a bunch of money on a WordPress plugin yet, and they just want to get it started, get it set up, and you want to get your site going and see if you can get people paying and see if you can build an online business doing this. And this is a great plugin for that because a lot of the other WordPress plugins don't have an initial free tier, or if they do have a free tier, it's very limited in their features. So Paid Memberships Pro is a great solution if you just want to get going, and you can use their free tier to create pretty much everything you need within your membership or subscription site, and you can get members paying and start generating revenue. So we'll take a look at that right here. As you can see, the free tier here includes the 6 payment gateways and 19 free add-ons, and this is really all you need to go ahead and set up your membership site in WordPress and get people paying you on a regular basis. And then as if you're successful and if your site grows, then you can easily upgrade to the Plus if you even need to add more add-ons or more integrations down the road. So if you're just starting a membership site for the first time, maybe you're just kind of learning WordPress a little bit and getting used to it, this is a great plugin to go with because you're not going to have to pay out of pocket until you already know that you have the revenue to sustain that and you want to upgrade. So let's go ahead and dive on in and set up Paid Memberships Pro. So after you install the WordPress plugin and come to the dashboard, this is what you're going to see. You're going to see everything set up nicely here for you. So you have the dashboard here, you have members. This is where it's going to show each of your customers, each of your orders or payments from your members. This reports tab is going to have some data, some info on your visits, views, your sales. Once you get your first sales, it'll be right here. You have how many visits this week for the month, year to date here, and then some other membership stats, signups and cancellations. So some great stats there for you at a glance. And we have the settings tab here, which is where we're going to set up our membership levels and set up our paid content in just a second. We'll get to that. And this is where we're going to add in our payment gateway and our email information, and then add-ons is where you can do further upgrades down the road. So now we have a quick overview, nice layout here at Paid Memberships Pro plugin. It has everything you need. It's not too complicated, just simple enough. But to set up our membership, let's go ahead and get started. We need to create a membership level. So just go ahead right here, and we're going to call this one Basic. So just type in your name and a quick description, and we're going to make this $29. Check this box to make it a recurring subscription, and we're going to say that this is $29 a month. If you want to do something like $50 initially and then it's $29 every month afterwards, you can do that right here by setting that up there. And then you can also add, if you want to do a trial billing, a custom trial billing period. So you want to set a free trial, or maybe you want to give them free access for a certain amount before they start paying. That's how you would do this right here. So that's really nice and simple, setting up a new membership level. You just put in your details here, and then we're going to go ahead and hit Save Level. All right. So now that you have your first membership level in your WordPress, the next step here is to generate our membership pages. So this is all part of the initial setup of Paid Memberships Pro. And really all you have to hit here is generate pages for me, and it's going to create all the pages that your customers would need to sign up for a membership. So here you can see we have the account page where your members will see their information. We have a cancel page where they can cancel their membership if they want. Checkout page, this is where people will come to actually check out and pay for your membership. So we can see all those pages right here, and you can edit them super easily if you'd like to. So here's an example of the membership checkout page, and this is where they'll come. They'll put in their billing address and then their payment information here. That goes straight to you, and then they will have their membership created. So all those pages, all that membership level stuff, super easy to set up and get going. As you can see, it's been about 5 minutes here and we're already on our way. So now let's take a look on how to actually lock our pages and set those up so that you can differentiate between paid members and what they get, and then free members. So you want to have a members area where they can come and get their members only content that they're paying you for. So here we have our best membership plugins for WordPress page, and we're going to go ahead and set this up to be locked. So this is a free page on our site, but showing you an example, if we wanted to lock this page and make it members only, this is exactly how we do that. So you just come to your page editor here in the WordPress editor, go to document down to require membership, and just check your membership level. Boom, basic. Update that, and now that page will only be visible to members who have purchased that membership level and are logged into your site. So if we go back to this page now, as we can see right down here, this content is for basic members only. Join now. So just like that, they'll be able to come in here, select their membership, go ahead and sign up, and they'll have access to all these pages. So now that you know how to lock those pages, if you've already built your course, you can go into your site and lock all of your paid content. Or if you're still in the process of building your membership site, you know how to go in and make paid content locked for members only, and you can decide which things you want to keep free and open to all members. Now, before a customer can officially become a member, you're going to need to set up your payment gateway so that you can actually receive that money and hold it. So to set that up, just go on over to settings here, and then payment gateway and SSL. So there's multiple payment gateways here, although I would recommend going with Stripe or PayPal, as those are the most popular. So just set up your Stripe or your PayPal account, and I'll give you a quick demonstration of how you can integrate that payment gateway. So I'm just going to hit Stripe here, come over to your Stripe account, go to developers, and then API keys, and then boom, it's right here. Click to copy, publishable key, secret key, put that in right here. Put your secret key in there. I'm not going to do that right now because that's my secret key. And then hit save settings. And then your payment gateway will be integrated. You've already set up your membership level. You've already set up which pages are locked. So people will be able to come to your site, and if they want to access some of that paid content, they will be ready to go ahead and log in through your checkout option and become a member. So of course, locking pages is going to be important so you actually have a paid product for somebody to pay for. But maybe you want to do some other add-ons. Maybe you want to go behind just locking pages. Maybe you want to add a certain group chat for your members, like on Discord or Slack. That's where you're going to want to have some of these add-on plugins. So going back to the pricing table here, paid memberships is free and does hold a lot of features here. But if you want to go and integrate with any of these other platforms, that's where you're going to have to end up paying some more, and that goes up to $297 a year. So on the add-ons list, we're looking at all the free add-ons here. So you can add BuddyPress, which adds kind of social media elements to your site, where you can have a social aspect like a forum and a place for your own members to communicate. Zapier, which allows you to integrate with lots of other platforms. You can have MailChimp if you're using that for your email service. ConvertKit, these are all the free add-ons. However, if you want to do something a little bit more complex, you're probably going to have to upgrade to the Plus add-ons here, which we have right here. You can have donations, you can have badges for your members, special home pages. Just all these little features here are added extra. from Paid Memberships Pro. And just to note again, all of these free features here, this is the majority of what you're going to need anyway. If you already know that you're going to need some of these other add-on plugins, I would go ahead and look at some other WordPress plugins that have that better integrated for you without having to pay $300 a month off the bat. And one place where Paid Memberships Pro is lacking is they don't have a whole lot of integrations where you can integrate with other platforms. For example, Slack or Discord, where you want to have your own chat, or maybe you want to have a completely separate platform like a Facebook group where members can come and join. That's going to be hard to do with Paid Memberships Pro. But if you're solely looking to lock your WordPress pages, you want to do that cost efficient, and you just want to have that up and going, then this is the perfect plugin for you. So there you have it, a quick overview of Paid Memberships Pro. Now remember, this is a great plugin if you are bootstrapping your membership site and you're trying to build a business for low cost. However, if you already have some revenue or that's not a big of an issue for you, I would recommend checking out some of the other WordPress memberships that we recommend here. And if you're willing to pay some money, these have a lot more extensive features and will get the job done. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're building your own membership website, feel free to come check out profitpermonth.com. We help people grow their own online businesses, whether that's actually building your site with the technology or through marketing and acquiring more customers. So yeah, we're pretty much just trying to create a community of people trying to build their own online subscription businesses. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, leave them down below, and thanks for watching.